In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix WhatsApp not working on Android. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, maybe you try opening WhatsApp and it's just not opening at all, or when you open it, it's freezing a lot and it's just not sending any messages or anything like that. It's very easy to go ahead and fix this. So the first thing you want to do is go over and swipe down in the top right of your screen. It's going to show your control panel, turn on airplane mode, then just wait about 15 seconds. Once you've waited those 15 seconds, go ahead and turn airplane mode off. See if that works and you're able to send messages. Now, if the issue is like crashing or anything like that, then go over to your settings application, scroll all the way down until you find apps, go ahead and click on it. And then all you want to do is go all the way down to the very bottom until you find W, go over to WhatsApp. Now, once you're in WhatsApp, scroll down and go to storage, which is under usage. And the first thing you want to do is clear your cache and then see if WhatsApp then works. If it doesn't, clear your data as well. Then you're just going to have to re-log in with your phone, but then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.